In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, a young author inspires others to believe in themselves no matter the age. With that story, here's Kayley Morgan.
Besides laughing a lot, playing with her friends, and doing her mom's makeup, Kayley Turner spends a great deal of time writing her future. At just 10 years old, this creative hailing from Greenwood in St. James is already a published author. Her first book, Kate and the Fishes, came to life after her teacher assigned a class project last year.
Everybody else was making the same stuff. Some were making the same stuff and different stuff. I decided to make something different than everybody else.
Kayley, who attends the Little Future Experts Academy in the parish, says that she came up with a storyline because she loves the beach.
The book is about an island princess and her mother, who's an island queen, and they own an aquarium and they own some magical fishes.
Mother, Shanika Hill, says that transforming her daughter's imagination to a hard copy was in itself an eventful journey.
I had no idea as to what was the methods. However, after writing the story, my daughter came to me and said, Mommy, publish it. Normally a child would say, can I have allowance or can I have Starbucks? This child came and said, Mommy, publish my book. So I said, you know what, I will not disappoint you.
And she did not. Kayley's book is now available locally and on Amazon.
The things that she desires are not that of a 10-year-old. However, I recognize as children do grow, my job, especially with my daughter, is just to be the support factor.
Kayley's teacher, Yannick Robinson, says the book will be added to the school's book list.
I always try to push her because I know that she can do it. I had to, congratulate her. Tell her that it's very good, and she did get a very good grade in this book.
A whopping 98%. Kayley says she just wants to inspire others.
To be kind, to be thoughtful, and to be very nice, and to be nice to other people.
Once you have something that you love to do, just make it become an habit and just put in a little extra work, and you can achieve whatever you want to do.
A child will always have an idea, but it takes a parent's support to make it become a reality. Parents, if it is that your child has that idea, do not brush it under the carpet.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayley Morgan.